Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you the best alternative to Anthropic, Claude and Google Gemini, ChatGPT, all these AI frameworks. There is a new AI framework which is released here, which is Kimi K2. It is developed by a Chinese company, and if you go to kimi.com, kimi.com, you can access their chatbot, and it's specifically good for programming and software development, and it's similar to Claude, Anthropic Claude, Google Gemini, and ChatGPT. So they offer this simple text area where you can actually ask any sort of question. Let's suppose I say build a calculator in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So you can basically get started for completely free. You can try out their chatbot. So as you can see, I ask a question, so it will give me the response. So it is giving me the source code response here. So it's similar to Claude here. So it will give you the source code here. As you can see, it is generating the source code, and from the drop down here you can check out all their models. This is the flagship model, which is the latest model K2. It's Kimi K2, and it's very good for software development and coding purposes. So it's a great alternative if you want to check out the Kimi K2. You can go to this, and they do offer the API as well. You can integrate this directly with VS Code, and it's very cheap as compared to Anthropic Claude. And I will show you what is their subscription plan later on, so keep watching this video. So as you can see, it is generating this code here. The speed is little bit personally I tried this, speed is little bit slow, but the result that it gives you is similar to Anthropic Claude. So it is newly developed, so it is not at that much old. So it's newly created by a Chinese company, Kimi K2. It's very popular among developers. So I just wanted to make a video on this. So as you can see, it is giving me the complete code here containing this arithmetic calculator, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So once it is completed, it will also show you the live preview as well, similar to Anthropic Claude. And the nice thing about this is that you can even attach files as well. So it also supports, you can even attach your code files, PDF, doc, Excel files, PPT, text, images, all that stuff. You can attach it. So now it has given me this fully functioning calculator here, and you can click the preview button to actually see the live preview of this calculator. So as you do this, you have the functional calculator build out. As you can see, 89 minus 6 is equal to 83. So you can close this preview window, and you can copy the code to clipboard as well, like this, very easy. And here what this does, it allows you to functionality to actually attach images. So what you can do is that, let's suppose you take an image. Let's suppose I say I want to create a similar screenshot of this google.com web page. So what I do, I basically take a screenshot, and then I basically give this screenshot to this. So I simply attach this. So for continuing it, you do need to log in with a simple Google account to upload files. So if you have a free Google account, simply continue and log in. And once you're logged in, you basically research access granted. So it's completely free. Now you can actually upload files which are up to, let's suppose I go to uh, the actual file here, and here I attach this, as you can see. So we are basically attaching the screenshot right here, and now I basically say that just build out the same UI, attach in the image in HTML and CSS. So now if you give this, it will basically scan this image, and it will give you the blue the code snapshot of this interface. So as you can see, you can attach images as well. give images straight away, and then it will give you the code here related to this Google interface. So you can basically take screenshot of any application, just plug this inside this Kimi K2 model. In the meantime, let me show you the subscription model of this. Let me show you the pricing. So if you go to their web page, so Kimi pricing is $0.15, which is very much cheaper than Claude. This is for input tokens and this is for output tokens. We are talking about 1 million input token cost is 15 cents, which is very cheap. And for output tokens, it is $2.50. And let me just compare it with this Claude. If you just say Claude, so you will basically see their pricing. So the pricing in Claude starts at $17. So as you can see, it is generating this. So once it is completed, the speed is a little bit slow, but it gives you all the things that you want to. And in the meantime, let me just show you. Let me just ask ChatGPT what is the pricing of Claude at the same. So as you can see for Claude here, it is $15 per million. This is their Claude has various models here, which is Opus, Sonnet, Heku, and as you can see, the pricing it is 25 cents for the basic model and $1.25. So as you can see, it is very much cheaper than that. This is the main model here, which is this Sonnet model, $3 and $15. So it's very much cheaper than it's 15 cents and $2.50. So you can actually access this API right here. If you go to this website, so inside their account here, you go to the settings option and you can change the theme here to dark as well. So now basically if you preview this, you can see it is basically created the UI of google.com. It basically created this HTML file. So if I try to show you inside VS Code, let me paste this code here. So it given you this complete code, and if I show you the live preview here, uh, so this is your Google website developed entirely inside Kimi K2, and as you can see taken, this is our Google web page. So it's pretty insane, guys. The functionality what you can create using this AI tool is tremendous. The possibilities are endless. As you can see, it's only 200 lines of code here. It given you the precise CSS which is needed to create this UI, and in this easy way you can actually create any sort of interface. You can see it is created this, all this functionality remains similar to google.com, as you can see that. So this is a power of this AI tool Kimi K2, and you can access it, this chatbot kimi.com, and if you want to, you can visit this website. All the links I've given in the description of the video. Platform moonshot.ai, this is their website for the AI. If you want to access their documentation about their AI, so all these things are mentioned right here. So you can access their console here like this. So first of all, you need to log in with your Google account, and for testing purposes, their API, you do need to purchase some credits. So I think $10 will be more than enough to actually try out their API. So this is the API key section right here. So once you purchase some credits, you can click this create API, give it a name, and here you need to select a project. So This will actually give you this, and to purchase it, you click the recharge button, and right here you can add your credit card. All these details you can add: this email, first name, last name, country, phone number, and then click on pay. And you can basically, minimum amount is $10, which is more than enough. You can try out this API and get your API key, and it's very easy. In the next video I will show you how to get started in installing this API, and you can see it's very easy. Here will be the list of projects that you create. This is very easy, as you can see, and it is tremendous. As you can see, I showed you in this video, it's a great alternative to solutions like Claude, Gemini, and ChatGPT. But you can look, this is their website, kimi.com. So definitely look at, and also check out my website, guys, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.